Professional Secret Lesson 3: The pH Balance Science. Are you tired of watching expensive surfaces get damaged by the wrong cleaning products? Here's a shocking truth most homeowners don't know. Using the wrong pH cleaner doesn't just fail to clean, it's actually destroying your home. Every surface in your home needs a specific pH level to clean safely. Your beautiful granite countertops require alkaline cleaners between pH 8 to 10. But that same cleaner will permanently etch your natural stone shower, which needs pH-neutral products around 7. When you use the wrong pH, you're not just getting poor results, you're causing chemical destruction that looks like normal wear but is actually thousands of dollars in preventable damage. That cloudy etching on your granite, that discoloration on your natural stone, that's not age, that's chemical damage from incorrect cleaning products. At Made Perfect, our professional cleaners carry pH test strips and understand surface chemistry. We use scientifically selected, pH-balanced products that protect your expensive finishes while achieving superior cleaning results. We don't just clean your home, we preserve your investment. While other cleaning services use one-size-fits-all products that slowly destroy your surfaces, Made Perfect's trained professionals know exactly which products are safe for granite versus quartz, hardwood versus laminate, and stainless steel versus chrome. We prevent damage instead of causing it. Stop gambling with your expensive surfaces. Book your clean online today and discover why pH science matters. When you choose Made Perfect, you're choosing professionals who understand that true cleaning protects your home while making it spotless.